Hello juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. My name is Michael, and I'll be helping out Kim for the rest of the semester as you get back into Python. So for this week, week 17, we'll be returning to Python, and we're going to do some code drills just so you can review on the basics of programming. So you have two things due this week. You have the drills1.py, which we'll go over in Canvas, and the weekly quiz, which is just a survey to get a feeling of how you feel about the drills that we're doing. So let's walk through Canvas. So we have our weekly video, which is right here. Then we have the where you'll upload the drills1 file, and then we can go over the drills1 file right here. So what I'm having you do is there's a comment box of what you're going to do, and then right under it you can write what I'm telling you to write. So like it says, initialize a variable to a word outside of the comment box. So this is exactly what I want you to do. I have it labeled variable1 or var1 equals word. Similarly, the next one is initialize a variable to a number outside the comment box, and then you initialize var2 to 1. You can feel free to change these up a little bit because that's just what I decided to name the variables, and you can initialize it to whatever number you feel so inclined to choose. But please do actually write it out. This is good practice for you for when we get into our actual final project. And then, so you can see the rest of it. We have a bunch of variables. Then we go to lists. Then we go into conditionals, if-else statements. And then we go to a little bit of loops. And there's about 30 or so in total. And then the final one is a function, is defining functions. So now, and then we have our weekly quiz. That should, like I said, just be a survey of how you feel about these. And then if you need help on downloading the file and then putting the .py file into Eclipse, you can go back to these fall cohort videos. Or if you just want to brush up on your Python skills, you can go back and watch those as well. Any questions?
Can you explain what initialize a variable means?
Okay, yeah. So when you initialize a variable, you are just setting the name of your variable, which in this case is var1, equal to, because 1 equal signs means you're initializing, 2 equal signs means that you're comparing those two things. So this is setting var1 to word, the string word. Does that?
Mm-hmm. And I have a kind of a follow-up question. So if I, for that very first one in this drill, if I just typed under those 3 apostrophes into the code, x equals, in quotes, hippopotamus, would I be initializing a variable to a word?
Yes, and that would be called a string variable.
Oh, okay. And then for the next one I could do like y equals 47?
Yep, and that's
okay.
exactly what we're looking for in these.
And then I just save that as a PY and upload it so that the instructors can look at it?
Yep, you're going to save it, and you're going to do this all in Eclipse. Just as a reminder, you're going to download it, you're going to put it into Eclipse, and then you're going to do all your things, and then you can save it in the upper left corner and upload it to Canvas in this spot right here.
Okay, I think I can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's see. So there's about 30 questions on there?
Yeah.
Okay. And, let's see, and there's also a quiz due this week as well.
Yeah. Okay. I hope you have a good time with this review, and I'll see you next week.